Ew, never mind. Just hey y'all, so hopefully y'all can hear me because y'all are way down there and I'm driving right now. But anyway, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Simone, and before we get to this vlog, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you can join the family. What are you doing? So earlier today I showed y'all a couple clips of me getting my car back finally. Good morning, y'all. So I am back in my car. Amen. I just put some gas in there. Didn't put it on full because I didn't. But yeah, just came from the gas station. Just wanted to say good morning to y'all and let y'all know that I finally got my car back. Amen. God is good. And you know the rest. But yeah, I'm not showing my face right now because I look a little bit crazy. But that's not what's important here. The important thing is that I got my car back. So I'm about to get ready to head back to the house, and I will see y'all when I get there. I'll do a proper intro whenever I come back on the camera because I am going to leave somewhere later today. But yeah, I just wanted to just welcome the vlog with some amazing news and just say that I am blessed. So yeah, I'll see y'all in a couple of seconds. Like, as soon as I got in the car, I was just so happy. Like, I didn't even mind that I had to put gas in there first thing in the morning, but you know, I'm blessed. So yeah, I finally got my car back. Yeah. I'm on the way to go meet my dad and Erica at this restaurant called Mexican Sugar. Today we are having a business meeting just to discuss some more business things and, you know, fun stuff like that. So yeah, I just wanted to say hey to y'all. This morning I didn't get to do a proper intro, so I just wanted to come back and say hey. Hope everybody's having a good weekend and being safe. And yeah, I'll probably see y'all whenever I get to the restaurant. I haven't had anything to eat yet, and like I said, it's 1:31 or 1:32, so I hope they got some good food. But I will see y'all whenever I get to the restaurant. It's gonna take me a little while to get there. But yeah, I'll see y'all whenever I get there.
Deep, I got it deep, pages just to write it down.
Start, you know, do the videos of the food. Okay, so have y'all thought about a website? Is a couple hours later. It's currently 5:15. I am obviously out of the restaurant. Their food, like, I'm gonna have to start going there. If y'all have never been to Mexican Sugar, I don't know how many locations there are, but the one that I went to was in Irving, right off of, I think this is 635 or 35. I don't know, just look up Mexican Sugar in Irving. So what I got was called the Squash Blossom Quesadillas. It didn't have, I don't think it had squash in it. It was just basically just like vegetables and cheese quesadilla. But oh my god, it was so good. Now, will I regret eating the cheese later? Yeah, I probably will, but it was worth it. My dad, I didn't know they had brunch items as well.
11 miles, turn left onto West University Drive.
Thank you. They also have breakfast or brunch items. So my dad ended up getting, I think it was like bacon, egg, and cheese quesadillas. And then Erica got French toast. And let me tell you, first of all, you would never think to get French toast at a Mexican restaurant. But their French toast, I don't know. But it was good. I'm gonna have to get that next time. But yeah, overall, that was really probably like my lunch slash dinner because I'm actually like really full. But overall, the food was really good. We had a really good meeting. We got to discuss a lot of different business topics. So yeah, overall the meeting went really good.
I'm Mr. Body Catcher, Slaughter Gang Soul Snatcher. Ain't no regular F-150, this a fucking rapper. No capper, street nigga, not a rapper. Chopper hit him and he turned into a booty clapper. Smith & Wesson, I'm 4L gang reppin'. We done baptized more niggas than a damn boy. Chopper out from my gang, we knew how to step in. Who you checkin'? It's F-in, the West End.
I heard Poppy outside. Got the double R, drop it outside. Check the weather and it's getting real. I'll be outside. I'ma try this shit and have these pussies dropping like some motherfucking type of nigga that can't look me in the eyes. I despise when I see you. Better put that fucking pride to the side. Many times, plenty times, I survive. Beef is live. Spoiler alert, this nigga dies.
Keep blickies, and you know the weed sticky. My finger itchy, Glock like the lead pickies. Your shooter's iffy, a street punk could never diss me. I come straight up out the tits and we don't spell sissies.
I fuck with her, and fuck with her, and her. I hit up her, tell them do the her, for sure. Voodoo curse, it got him while I flew the Turks. Know the dogs had to hit him where we knew it hurts.
Gang shit, that's all I'm on.
Yo,
Gang shit, that's all I'm on. Nigga, gang shit, that's all I'm on. Gang shit, that's all I'm on. Nigga, gang shit, that's all I'm on. Gang shit, that's all I'm on. Nigga, gang shit, that's all I'm on. Till his brains hang, and his mama sang, and the pastor sang, and the bullets sang, and them choppers sang, and the choir sang.
I'm on everything. Jacob charged me for a 50 for a tennis chain. US Open had it on us at the tennis game. Tell the coach don't take me out, I like to finish games. And my pen insane, and my men insane. There's like 80 of us now, that's a scary thing. Shit they doing on that other side embarrassing. We in Paris with it, 100 carats with it. All this shit is for my son cause he's inheriting it.
Shit, that's all I'm on. Gang shit, that's all I'm on. Nigga, gang shit, that's all I'm on. Gang shit, that's all I'm on. Nigga, gang shit, that's all I'm on. Gang shit, that's all I'm on. Nigga, gang shit, that's all I'm on. Gang shit, that's all I'm on. Yeah.
Hello, new world, all the boys and girls. I got some true stories to tell. You're back outside, but they still lied. Whoa, yeah. Take off the foo-foo, take off the cloud chase, take off the Wi-Fi, take off the money phone, take off the car loan, take off the flex and the white loss. Take off the weird ass jewelry, I'ma take 10 steps, then I'm taking off top 5. Take off the fabricate streams and the microwave memes, it's a real world outside. Take off your idols, take off the runway, take off the Cairo, take off the Sandro, pay 5-day stay, nigga put a meal in the 5-day. Take off the false flag, take off perception, take off the pop with the iPad, take off the unload, take off the unsure, take off the solutions I've had. Take off the fake deep, take off the fake woke, take off the I'm broke, I care. Take off the gossip, take off the new logic, then phone rich, I'm real. Take off the Chanel, take off the Doja, take off the breaking bag. Take all that designer bullshit off, and what do you have? Bitch, you ugly as fuck. You out of 2 ATMs, you stepping to what? Who you think they talk about us? The word in the panic, the women is stranded, the men on the run, the profits are vanity, the law taking advantage, the market is crashing, the industry wants niggas and bitches to sleep in the box while they making the mockery fucking with us. This ain't monopoly, watching for luck. This ain't monogamy, y'all getting fucked. Never know what the hell is that, I gotta relax when I feel.
I have not been in the car since last week. I hadn't been able to go anywhere because if y'all didn't know, which I'm sure y'all seen the news, there was really bad ice. We had an ice storm. In Texas, and the part that I live in, I think all of Texas was bad for the most part, but especially the northern part of Texas, the ice, it gets terrible. So yeah, I couldn't go anywhere. Kind of had a little bit of cabin fever. Y'all can't even see me because it's dark. Yeah, I had a little bit of cabin fever, so I just felt like today it was a perfect day to get out and just go get some fresh air, run some errands. I don't know if y'all can see me because it's really dark. Like 55 degrees, probably 60 degrees. It's kind of warm actually. But yeah, today's a beautiful day and I just felt like, why not get out the house? I want to go to Home Depot, so that's where I'm on my way to right now. So I've been wanting to do that textured canvas art. I know that y'all have been seeing that everywhere. So yeah, I've been wanting to do it for a long time, but I just never got around to doing it. I put things off till last minute. But yeah, so I'm gonna go to Home Depot, and then I think there's either a Michael's or a Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure which one is up here. But yeah, I'm gonna go there today and maybe make a few stops in between. But yeah, today is Sunday Fun Day. It is a beautiful day outside, and it feels so good to see the sun and feel the sun in your skin, because 7 days in the house of just pure like gloomy weather, and then it was cold. I'm not a summer person, but I appreciate the sun. My arm is getting tired. I guess I'll just see y'all whenever I get to Home Depot, I guess.
I've given you enough time.
All right, thank you. But yeah, thank you for the card.
Yep, have a good one.
You too. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
So do you have extra pots so you can split this?
I have a couple at home.
Yeah, just take it right here
Oh, down the middle.
and separate it. If you want more,
Would you like an
you can actually divide it into singles. And then
Alright y'all, so I'm back in the car. Home Depot went pretty good. They didn't have, there's one tool that I needed. You know how you make the actual designs in the canvas art? They didn't have the, I don't know what you call it, spatula. They didn't have the one that have the ridges in it. So I was able to get a 3-pack, and they're just like straight edges. And it was only like, it was no more than $5 for those. But yeah, and I ended up getting a plant, which that's not what I went in there for, but it was really pretty. And then also, I don't know if it's because my hair is big, or I'm not sure what it is, but I get so uncomfortable when people stare at me. And it may not always be a bad thing, but it's like it's a personal thing. I don't know. But yeah, it was just like every other person's. It might be because I have a camera. That's probably why. Okay, never mind. So yeah, now I'm about to go to Michael's. I didn't realize that Hobby Lobby is actually closed on Sundays, so I'm gonna go to Michael's instead, and it's just a few minutes away, I think. All in all, Home Depot wasn't that bad. Usually I hate going to Home Depot because I feel like it'd be nothing but men in there that know what they're looking for, and I'm in there just like wandering around the whole damn store like looking crazy. Your dog is cute. I think I'm gonna go with this size. This is an 18 by 24. And I also wanted to look at some planners. I mean, not planners, journals. Do we have something online to me? Or this reminds me of my mom. But I think I'm gonna get this one. This one is cute. Y'all, so I wasn't gonna come here, but Starbucks was just calling my name. I just had to do it. Literally, it's like a Starbucks like right before I turn into my neighborhood, And I'm telling myself, like, I'm sitting here arguing with myself in the car, like, no, you're not going, no, you're not going, no, you're not going. And then I just somehow veered over to the right. I don't know what happened, like, I don't know. And I ended up in the Starbucks line. But, yeah. I didn't leave out the house with my hair like this. I've lost some definition. Yeah. I think it's humid outside, too, so that's probably why. Here you go.
And then would you like your seats then?
Yes, please. Thank you. Hey y'all, so I'm back home. Yeah, I'm currently trying to get my sunglasses out of my hair. I'm assuming that as my hair expanded while I was out, you know, letting the wind blow through my hair, they got tangled up in my sunglasses. And yeah, I've been working on it for about 10 minutes, and I really don't want to cut my hair, but I kind of feel like I'm gonna have to. So yeah, this is the part that they don't include in the natural hair brochure. Natural is the way to go, but be mindful of things like this. So yeah, I'll see y'all once I get this out of my hair and I start on the art project.
Show my love. Can I show my love for you? 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 Can I show my love? Can I show my love for you?
Hopefully y'all can hear me. I can barely see right now because the sun is like literally in my eyes. I don't know why I came out here. It is Sunday. It's actually the next day. I think the last thing I recorded was me washing my car, but after I got done washing my car, I don't know what I ended up doing, but I just forgot to come back. So yeah, but yeah, it's currently 5:31. I have not done anything all day. I have not left the house. I literally just been chilling. Oh my god, it's so much noise going on. Anyway, so yeah, this morning when I woke up like I need to do this and that. Like literally actually just kind of making up things to do, because sometimes I feel like I need to be productive during the day before I can actually rest. I just decided to just give myself a day where I'm not doing anything, like no physical labor, no lifting, cleaning, putting stuff up. We actually cleaned I think it was Saturday morning, so the house was clean, but I was just trying to think of stuff that I could do to feel productive, basically. So basically what I'm trying to say is you should honestly just allow yourself to rest. Basically what I'm trying to say is we should just really allow ourselves grace and just allow ourselves to actually rest, and just basically allow yourself to be lazy. It's okay. It's okay to be lazy some days. Don't be too lazy where you just being nasty and dirty and stinking and not brush your teeth, and not that lazy, but just not doing any work. So hopefully that makes sense. You can see I've been in a headscarf all day with my hair twisted. Like, yeah, I really have not done anything. I just been like really chilling, watching TV, watched the show You on Netflix, but that show is so good. Half of season 4 just came out. I think that was Friday, and I've already watched all the episodes, so now I have to wait until March 9th, and I'm just a little bit upset about that. But yeah, if you have not watched that show, I definitely recommend it. Of course, start from season 1. But yeah, I think I binge watched season 1 through 3 in maybe like a week. So I wanted to show y'all that I finally hung up the canvas art that I did in my room. I'll probably just insert some clips here. But yeah, I finally hung it up. I was thinking about putting them in floater frames. For whatever reason, I couldn't find the correct size, so I just hung it up, and I actually don't mind how it looks without being framed. So yeah, my room is finally coming together, and I really love it. I have not forgot about doing a house tour. I'm still gonna do that. But yeah, oh, and also I wanted to say, in this vlog, while I was editing, I realized that I was kind of like jumping around like all over the place between different days. So it was actually like 3 weekends in this whole vlog. I didn't want y'all to be confused thinking I'm doing everything in one weekend, because no, I did not. It was over the course of like 3 weekends. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get the last part of this vlog edited. Everything else is already done. Hopefully have it uploaded by tonight. If not, it'll be Monday morning. But I hope y'all enjoyed the footage. Tomorrow is Monday, starting a new week off, and let's just start it with positive intentions. And yeah, so if you have not already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you can join the family. And I will see y'all in the next vlog. This sun is killing me. I'll see y'all in the next vlog. I love y'all so much. Bye, y'all. I know my neighbors are looking at me, but that's okay.